You can see that they've gone for a minimalist design. It's modern and bold, but also strong enough to support any mattress that you put on top of it. Hey everyone, Sleep Chef here. Today I'll be looking at the Zinus Abel 14-inch metal platform bed frame. This is not a sponsored video, but if you're interested in this product and want to know more, you can find a link in the video description. This is a queen size bed frame, but it can also be ordered as a twin, full, or king size. Without the mattress on the frame, you can see that they've gone for a minimalist design. It's modern and bold, but also strong enough to support any mattress that you put on top of it. No box spring is needed. Some of the slats even feature non-slip tape to keep your mattress from sliding. This frame is easy to assemble. I'd say it only took about 10 minutes to do so. And now we can take a look at it with a mattress on top. Here's the frame with a mattress on top of it. As you can see, the queen size mattress fits this frame perfectly, and the frame itself provides all the support you would need. Underneath, the support beams are spaced out enough to provide space for extra storage bins. And keep in mind that the frame itself comes out to a height of 14 inches off the ground. The Zinus Abel 14-inch bed frame comes with a 5-year warranty and is a perfect solution for keeping your mattress off the ground.